and welcome to Teacher Inspiration Station. I am super excited for this video because it is a teacher YouTuber gift exchange for end of the school year / beginning of the school year. Just something to lift our spirits. And it was organized by Stacy at TimeToTeach, and I'll link her video down below along with all the other YouTubers who are part of this collaboration. And I love watching these kinds of videos, like, I guess because I'm into hauls and unboxings, and I don't know, I like the stuff. And any excuse to go shopping, I'm all for it. But yeah, I have no idea who my person is. My package arrived and I had it sent to Mama's house because, ooh, I don't know. I'm trying to like, I don't know, try to guess what's in here based on the sound. But anyways, there's books in here. For sure there are books in here. Sounds like books are in here, which is great. Oh god, I hope you don't see my address. Okay, I hope you didn't see my address. Anyway, so I have no idea who I got. But yeah, I'm so excited to open this. So, yeah, as I was saying, I had this sent to my mom's house because I'm supposed to be moving. So I went to my mom's house. I just came home. It's 1 o'clock in the morning and I was gonna film it tomorrow, but I thought, you know what, you have your face on, just go for it. Plus I'm excited, I want to know what's inside. Sorry, okay. All right, let's get my, you know what? I'm trying not to show my address here. Okay, hang on. Oh, okay. Woo! Okay, so I am just going to pull things out one by one. Oh! Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna pull things out one by one. Okay, so, oh, okay. Okay, so first thing I got was this teacher happy planner sticker book. And I love Happy Planner. I love things planner related. So super excited for this. Cause yeah, I use quite a bit of stickers. This here, look at this. This is cute. Love it. Love it. This is GlitterandJams vibes right here. But yeah, thank you. What else? Ooh, okay, sorry. We don't eat our classmates. I don't know this book, but I love learning about new books and new titles. So yeah, I don't know this one. We don't eat our classmates. Oh, this is good. This will be good for the first day of school. It's Penelope's first day of school and she can't wait to meet her classmates. But making friends is hard when they're so delicious. Readers will gobble up this hilarious news story from award-winning author, illustrator Ryan T. Higgins. Do not know this one. But this looks fun. Yay, thank you. First day jitters is usually the ones that I read on the first day of school, but it's nice to have something else too to read, so that's good. Oh my goodness, this actually makes me laugh because, okay. I need lotion. Yes, I need lotion. So in one of my videos, a recent video that I made, my arms were so dry. Like I'm watching it, I'm like, oh my god, am I gonna have to refilm this? Like, and I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna put it up there. And I just made like a little comment and I pinned my comment. I'm like, ignore the ashy arms and elbows. Just watch the video. I'm trying to ignore it. Please do it too. So I got this and I'm wondering, did you see that video or whoever I got? Ooh, who did I get? I don't know. Anyways, so whoever sent me this, thank you. And I wonder if you saw that video and you're like, child? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Struggle is real. But thank you. I do need this. I do need this. Dry skin. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I do need it. And in my classroom, I always have lotion on my desk just for emergencies. Yes. And I got some erasers. My kids, I've said this so many times before, I don't know what they do with the erasers. They eat erasers. I do not know what happens with them. I replenish. We got a good thing going, and then in a couple weeks we have like 2 that the whole class is sharing, like 2. Like, I don't know what they do with the erasers. So this will definitely come in handy. And oh yes, the Ink Joy gel pens. I love these pens, and these are the ones that have the cap that come off, so that's nice. Yay! I'm so excited. I don't know why one could be so excited over pens. I don't know, but yes, I'm super excited for this. And I don't know who you are. Oh, it says words to live by. LOL, my students love this book. It is so cute and great for the beginning of school. I read it like it was one of our class rules. I also go back to this book periodically throughout the year just for fun and joy. So that's what the little note said. And do I have more notes? They're gift receipts. Oh, I know that you enjoy planners and accessories and hope that you will find these stickers fun and useful to make all of your planning a joy. I am also sending my absolute favorite pens for your planner. They're so smooth and pretty. Yes, love them. And a gift receipt. I want to know who it's from. Here are a few more erasers to add to your supply stash. We always seem to go through more erasers than I ever imagined possible in a year. LOL. And well, who sent me this stuff? I don't know. I really wish I knew who you were so I could thank you in my video. Anyway, once I find out, I will comment down below and I will pin my comment, and I'll let you know who sent me the stuff, because I have no idea. I literally have no idea who it could be. Well, yeah, I don't know who it is. So thank you so much. I really liked everything that I got. Super sweet. Thank you so much. Right up my alley. And like I said before, I will link everyone's video down below. Go ahead and check them out. And yeah, the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.